Hello students. Now today we'll start with indefinite integration. Okay, we'll start with indefinite integration. Now we'll revise your 11th standard portion in short. Okay. Now if you consider here, suppose derivative of small fx is capital Fx. Derivative of small fx is capital Fx. If you take derivative on the other side, it is antiderivative. If you take derivative on the other side, it is antiderivative of capital Fx. And this antiderivative is nothing but, it is integration represented by elongated s. Okay, integration of fx. Since derivative is with respect to x, so here we write dx. That is integration of capital Fx with respect to x. So integration is nothing but, it is antiderivative. Okay, this antiderivative. For example, if you consider derivative of sin x is cos x. If we take derivative on the other side, it is integration. So integration of cos x we consider as sin x. Now consider derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. If we take derivative on the other side, it is integration. So integration of 1 upon x with respect to x, it is nothing but log x. Now one more, if we consider derivative of tan x is sec square x. If we take derivative on the other side, it is integration. So integration of sec square x with respect to x is tan x. Now in this way, we will consider all formulas for indefinite integration. We will consider all formulas for indefinite integration. Now same way, if you consider derivative of constant term is 0. If I take derivative on the other side, integration of 0 is not 0, it is nothing but constant. So while solving problems, हे तुम्हाला last time सांगितलं असेल सगळ्यांनाच, आपण final stepला नेहमी काय लिहितो? plus c. This plus c is very important and this c is written for that 0 term. So integration of 0 is not 0, that is written as c, that is a constant term. Okay? अशा प्रकारे आपण सगळे इंटिग्रेशनचे फॉर्म्युलीज लास्ट इयरला तुम्ही बघितले असतील, तर परत एकदा आपण ते रिवाइज करतोय. सो विल राइट डाउन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल formulas. We'll revise the formulas and then we'll start with type-wise problems. Okay? So we'll revise it. Now start with formulas. आता फॉर्म्युलीज पण तुमचे बऱ्यापैकी पार्ट असतीलच, पण परत एकदा आपण रिवाइज करतोय. ओके, सो कन्सिडर फॉर्म्युला इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ x रेज टू n with respect to x is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. We write here plus c. Okay, integration of 1 with respect to x is x plus c. Integration of 1 upon x is log x. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, and so integration of 1 upon root x is 2 root x plus c. Okay. Then consider for trigonometric form, integration of sin x is minus cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Integration of tan x is log of sec x. Integration of cot x is log of sin x. Integration of, then consider integration of sec square x is tan x. Integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. Integration of sec x tan x is sec x. Integration of cosec into cot is minus cosec plus c. Then integration of cosec x is log of cosec x minus cot x plus c. Integration of sec x is log of sec x plus tan x. ओके, आता आणखीन एक फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला इथे ऍड होतं. यू मे राइट दिस एज log of tan of x by 2 plus c, or here it is log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Okay, then we consider next formulas. हे सगळे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीचे झाले. आता कन्सिडर करूया 1 upon under root 1 minus x square is sin inverse x plus c, or it is minus cos inverse x plus c. 1 upon x into under root. ओके, आणखीन आहेत बघा. 1 upon 1 plus x square. आता हे सगळे तुमचे स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म्युले जे आहेत ते तुमचे लास्ट इयरला झालेलेच असतील. त्यानंतर इथे आपण काही टाइप वाईज फॉर्म्युलेज साठीच पुढचे सगळे फॉर्म्युलेज कन्सिडर करणार आहोत. 1-2 मिनिटात बघून घ्या सगळ्यांनी, आणि त्यानंतर आपण पुढचे फॉर्म्युलेज स्टार्ट करूया. ओके, झालेत का सगळ्यांचे? Then consider next part. Next formula is integration of 1 upon under root a square minus x square is sin inverse of x by a plus c. 1 upon x square plus a square. Integration value is 1 upon a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Now next is 1 upon root of x square plus a square log of x plus root of x square plus a square. 1 upon under root of x square minus a square. This is log of again x plus root as it is. Then it is x square 1 upon x square minus a square 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Actually हे theorems आहेत की जे आपण नंतर प्रूव्ह करणार आहोत. And 1 upon a square minus x square is 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Okay. Now next formula is root of a square minus x square x by 2 into root as it is plus a square by 2 times sin inverse of x by a plus c. Then root of x square plus a square, again x by 2 into root as it is, plus a square by 2 times log of x plus root as it is. Next is root of x square minus a square. Integration form is x by 2 into root as it is minus a square by 2 times log of x plus root as it is. Okay. आणखीन काही फॉर्म्युलेज आहेत. Next is integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. Integration of a raised to x is a raised to x upon log a. Then integration of f dash x upon fx is log of fx plus c. Integration of f dash x upon root fx is 2 root fx plus c. Okay. तर इन शॉर्ट हे सगळे फॉर्म्युलेज तुमचे आपण एकदा रिवाइज करून घेतलेले आहेत. Okay. Now based on now these formulas only, before we start with type wise problems, काही बेसिक क्वेश्चन्स की जे खूप खूप महत्वाचे आहेत आणि प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्विंगला आपण लास्ट स्टेप मध्ये हे सगळे कन्सेप्च्युअल प्रॉब्लेम्स म्हणूया, हे तुम्हाला लागतात. तर एकदा आपण ते सगळे प्रॉब्लेम्स इन शॉर्ट रिवाइज करूया. ओके. सो विल स्टार्ट विथ दोज इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन्स, बेसिक क्वेश्चन्स की जे खूप महत्वाचे आहेत. ओके. Now consider first formula. Integration of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. This is your standard formula. And so composite form, integration of ax plus b raised to n is ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 divided by always coefficient of x, that is a plus c. Okay. आता काही बेसिक क्वेश्चन्स आपण याच्यावरचे सॉल्व्ह करूया, हे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. इफ आय कन्सिडर x इंटू रूट एक्स फॉर्म. आता x इंटू रूट एक्स तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, x इज x रेस टू 1, रूट एक्स इज x रेस टू हाफ, 1 प्लस हाफ दॅट इज x रेस टू 3/2. फॉर्म्युला यूज करा x रेस टू n चा, x रेस टू n प्लस 1 अपॉन n प्लस 1. दिस इज x रेस टू 5/2 अपॉन 5/2 प्लस सम कॉन्स्टंट व्हॅल्यू c. Next, now if you consider here few standard composite forms. Okay, third root of 2x plus 3 bracket square, it is nothing but 2x plus 3 raised to 2 raised to 1/3. So that is 2/3. That is third root of bracket square is 2x plus 3 raised to 2/3. Now we'll use your formula, that is n plus 1 upon n plus 1 divided by always coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 2, so this is 2x plus 3 raised to 5/3 upon 5/3 into 1/2. So finally, if we solve it, it is 2x plus 3 raised to 5/3. This 3 will be in the numerator. This 5 2s are 10 plus some constant value c. This is your final integration value. Okay. Now few more questions we'll consider here. Next question we will consider. Okay. Third root of bracket raised to 4, that is, this is 1 upon 5 minus 4x raised to 4 by 3. Okay. If we take this whole term in the numerator, index is negative, and then using your standard formula, ax plus b raised to m is ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon n is negative there, n plus 1 divided by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 4. Okay. If you solve it further, that is minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 by 3 upon minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 upon 4. Minus minus, it is plus. So finally this is 3 will be in the numerator. 3 by 4 times 5 minus 4x raised to minus 1 by 3 plus some constant value c. Okay. You may consider this index to be positive, so you can take this whole term in the denominator also. In this way also you solve it. Okay. त्यानंतर आणखीन एखादा सिंपल क्वेश्चन आपण घेऊ शकतो. Okay. ax plus b raised to n form. So integration value is ax plus b raised to n plus 1. 5 plus 1, that is 6. 5 plus 1, that is 6. Into 1 upon coefficient of x, that is minus 4 plus c. 6 into minus 4, you write minus 24 plus some constant value c. आता ह्या टाइप मधनं आणखीन एक क्वेश्चन आपण कन्सिडर करू शकतो. तुमची रिव्हिजनच चालू आहे 11th स्टँडर्डची. इन शॉर्ट पहिल्यांदा सगळे प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण रिवाइज करू आणि त्यानंतर तुमचा 12th स्टँडर्डचा पोर्शन आहे तो आपण स्टार्ट करू शकतो. ओके. आणि हे क्वेश्चन्स बेसिक आणि खूप खूप महत्वाचे आहेत. ठीक आहे. आता इथे तुम्हाला रूट फॉर्म दिसतोय. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज बेस्ड ऑन रॅशनलायझेशन. एलसीएम ला तुम्ही ह्या फॉर्म मध्ये सेपरेट करू शकत नाही. सो फर्स्ट विल रॅशनलाइज इट, विल सिम्प्लिफाय and then we'll consider integration form. Multiply and divide by conjugate. Multiply and divide by conjugate. Now consider numerator multiplication, denominator multiplication. 1 into this whole term as it is. A plus b into a minus b multiplication is a square minus b square. A square, root cancel. Minus b square. b is again in terms of root square, root cancel. So this is 5x plus 4 raised to half. Root means it is raised to half. Solve denominator 5x and this minus 5x cancel. 4 minus 3 divided by 1 is there. Now separately find out integration value using addition form. We separately find out integration value for this. Now ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 divided by always coefficient of x. Again ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 divided by coefficient of x. So you may take here half plus 1, that is 1 upon 3 by 2 common. And this 1 upon 5 also common. So inside bracket 5x plus 4 raised to 3 by 2. Half plus 1, it is 3 by 2. Minus 5x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 plus c. So finally it is 2 upon 15. 5x plus 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 5x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 plus some constant value c. ठीक है.